Okay guys, I will share with you a little bit about stock photography. This is my first YouTube video, so kind of bear with me. I promise this will change the way you think about stock photography. I know a lot of you watching these YouTube video and wanting to learn how you can make money in stock photos. You guys want to see some real numbers of people that actually making a living off of stock photo. I will share with you my experience, what I've learned through the years. I've been doing stock photo for over 12 years, have made over $500,000. One thing I can tell you is that your passive income will fluctuate every month. It's a little bit about me. I have over 60,000 photos live online, and currently I have a passive income of around $3,000 to $5,000 a month. The reason why I came up with this channel is because my way of doing stock photography is it's way different from what you've seen in many of the YouTube videos. I'm not saying that they're not making money, but I'm just saying that my way is totally different, and it's just a lot easier than the way that they do it. You can Google my screen name, and then you can click on images. Here you can see a few examples of some of the photos that are being used online right now. And in future videos, I will share with you my whole portfolio. If you help me by subscribe and clicking on notification bell below, I will help you and show you exactly how I do stock photo so you can achieve the same passive income in faster time. After the next video, you will know exactly what agency to upload your photos to. From all the mistakes that I've made through the years, I've narrowed it down to what needs to be done and how to make it work. So you follow my video, you don't have to waste your time in the same mistakes. When I first started, I just wanted to make enough money to pay for my car payment. The first month I made $2, and then the second month I made $4. But when I saw the potential, I just went all in. My concept is to make the most money out of the least investment. That's just the way I do everything. Here I'll show you some of my past payments from stock agencies. Like I said earlier, your income kind of fluctuates every month depending on the kind of photos you have. I will get to that then on later videos. As you can see, early in my career, 2007, 8, 9, I didn't have the 60,000 images that I have now, but I still made the $3,000 to $4,000 income. I will show you what kind of photos to take in order to make a more consistent income throughout the year. There's some month where I made up to $7,000 to $8,000. I think you got the idea. There are so many things that I need to show you. I'm going to do this. I'm going to upload at least one video a week. The next video is very, very important. So continue taking photos, but don't upload. I will tell you guys exactly where to upload your photo, so you don't have to waste your time. I will give you the exact reason why I chose to do it that way. Reason why most of you guys are not making money. So hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.